we're gonna go head down this way and take the rope, and the guide will also help you on your way. And the journey begins. So we're currently in the rainy season, but it's still a great time to go. The trees will cover you if it does rain, and it only rains for a few hours during the day. I thought it was a worm.
For real?
Also, it will be more green during the rainy season, and the tubing will be more adventurous. But in the summer season, that's when you will have more colors, and the tubing experience will be more refreshing. So both seasons are a great time to go. It will just be different depending on the experience that you want. Yay! We have to do about 3 river crossings, and each one the guide will help you along the way. And the last one you end up swimming through. Here's the second river crossing. So you might want to bring water shoes for this hike. It help you too, because your shoes will get very wet. So in trees that look like this, they're hollow on the inside, and all the ants, when you shake them, will come out. And all the ants will live inside.
A few moments later.
This is the first ladder that you'll get to, and you'll have a rope that you can use to help yourself up, but the guide can help you as well. They're only a few steps, and they're really easy. So last night you could tell that there was an armadillo here because they dig for worms when it's raining, and you can see the marks that they make. And around here you'll see the rock formations are... What do you say? There's an active volcano here.
Yes, it's because around here we have an active volcano. Many years ago they blew up. I don't know. It's an eruption.
Yeah.
That we have. That's why this river has this many rocks, because this is a volcano rocks.
Okay.
You see, because they look like this. Look at the materials. You see, right? I'm smart.
Roll sound.
You should be the
sound production. Take 2.
So these rocks are from the previous volcano that erupted and created all these formations, and it's still active today, but it is not dangerous. And they used to use this to paint the pottery, to make it red, and they used to use it to paint their face.
We have to do it again. Look. Oh no, it's not working. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's working now. Try it.
Oh, thanks. I'm glad it works now.
Try again.
Okay, well. Bat. ¿Cómo se dice? ¿Cómo se dice bat in Spanish?
Murciélago.
Murciélago.
Yeah, you're doing well.
Murciélago.
I'm pretty Italian, but you're doing well.
Murciélago.
Murciélago. Yeah.
Okay. In this cave, there is a bat in the back. You probably won't be able to see it on video, but
Damn,
it's there.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Guys,
Oh,
go.
no. Run!
Wrong, Casey.
Alright, so this is the part where you're going to swim, and we're going to swim through that cave, get to the other side, swim through one more cave, and you'll see the waterfall. So we want to make sure that their dry bags are closed.
Meanwhile,
And we will provide you with a dry bag to keep your phone, water, and keys to your locker during the hike.
one eternity later.
I think I should extra prepared. They said at least 4 or 5 times. She should be ready.
Where you can get the dry bag
You can get the dry bag in the office.
in the office. So that's mean that Leona Waterfall can give you one if you need one to the tour.
Hi, my name is Cassie, and I'm going to be showing you guys around La Leona Waterfalls tour. We're around 20 minutes from Liberia, and you can book transportation with us, or if you have a car, this is a safe space to leave it. You can also leave your valuables here, and I'll show you where you can. So leave your stuff, and what you'll do is you'll just take this key on you when you're hiking, so just remember not to lose this. Before or after your tour, you can also get little souvenirs like this. You could have this too. Ah! Whoa! Alright, here we are at the final stop for the waterfall. So the guys will help you up right at the end over there, and you're going to use this rope to get there. And after, you'll see that there's a cave and the waterfall is there. I feel so much cooler now. Alright, we're here at the waterfall now, so you can swim all up here and take pictures as well.
When we leave, what we do? We take the same way.
So now we're gonna go back. We're gonna go head down this way and take the rope, and the guide will also help you on your way. So we just got back from the hike. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes each way, so it's around 3 miles round trip, 1.5 miles out, 1.5 miles back. And you're gonna wanna bring your water shoes, or if you have just regular hiking shoes, you don't mind getting wet, those are great too. Just do not bring flip-flops. You're also going to be able to ask for a dry bag and a life jacket at the office, so if you want those, remember to get those before the hike. They'll stop for water breaks, and along the hike there will be 3 river crossings. The first, second, and third river crossing are all about the same, and when you finally get to the cave part, you're going to have to swim with a rope to get to the cave. And the same when you're coming back, but you'll have to go through 2 caves, and it will be within the second one. What's great about these tours is they do offer transportation, so if you want transportation to and back, they have got you. But also, what's really cool is that these tours are what people do while they're on their weekends, while they're in the free time, so you do get a real Costa Rican experience. Yay!
Remember that you can book this tour now at leonawaterfall.com.